Hello, kids! Learn with Pig! Let's start! 5 little colorful ducks went out to play. Yellow, blue, red, green, and gray. By the little pond they wiggled in a row, splashing in the water, happy as they go. Look at those ducks! They love splashing in the puddles. 5 little ducks, quack, quack, quack. 5 little ducks on the track. Wiggle, wobble, go, splash, splash, splash. Hello there, my friends. 5 little ducks, what a dash. Yellow duck wore polka dots bright. Blue duck danced from left to right. Red duck spun in the muddy shore. Green duck laughed and wanted more. 5 little ducks, quack, quack, quack. 5 little ducks on the track. Wiggle, wobble, go, splash, splash, splash. 5 little ducks, what a dash. Gray duck hid by a cattail tree. Hello there, my friends. Then all 5 came back to me. Mama duck said, come along, dear crew. And every little duck said, we do too. Over the pond. Hello there. Under the sun. Look at those ducks. 5 tiny ducks. They love splashing in the puddles. One big splash and a happy sound. Colorful ducks all homeward bound. 5 little ducks, quack, quack, quack. 5 little ducks on the track. Wiggle, wobble, go, splash, splash, splash. 5 little ducks, what a dash. 5 little ducks, quack, quack, quack. 5 little ducks, back on track. Yellow, blue, red, green, and gray. 5 little colorful ducks, hooray, hooray! Bye-bye, kids. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.